Tatak RMN.
Wala kang di malalampasan pag may tiwala sa sarili. Tagay na sa swabing lasa at hagod ng Tanduay Rum. 170 years nang naniniwala sa tibay ng Pinoy. Ang tunay na matibay, may tibay Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Tunay ang tibay mo, kaya Tanduay ang tagay mo. Drink responsibly.
Babe, I love you. That's the usual way to say it. Pero pag in-extrahan, ganito. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo lang walang iba. Ibibigay buong buo at higit pa. In-extrahan! Just like Maxsaver Sulit Busog Meals. In-extrahan sa sulit, 99 pesos lang. In-extrahan sa busog with the extra rice.
Get extra without paying extra with McSaver Sulit Busog. Terms and conditions apply. Promo runs from January 3 to April 16, 2026 per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTB 244368 series of 2025.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Basta si Chene Calor,
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
na Calor, tapensa ko sa el, kung cuidaw ase bueno.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic. Most doctor prescribed sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, wag nang magdalawang isip.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang may bagong Revicon, ang Strongman's Multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Revicon Forte, may palagang lakas mo.
Gusto mo bang palaguin ng negosyo mo? Dagdag puhunan, bagong supplies, o additional stores? Gawin nating posible yan with BDO Multi-Purpose Loan. Apply now and enjoy waived loan fees of up to 30,000 pesos. That's more savings you can put straight back into your business. Visit any BDO branch today. Promo runs from March 1 to October 31, 2026. BDO, we find ways. Terms and conditions apply per DTI permit number 249820 series of 2026. BDO is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Tatak RMN.
Hayayo. Por eso, ready ayo man goodbye to the ones I love. Bye, anak! Hugaan ayo ko, hindi mga apo! Adios, mga kumare! Manunay ayo ko rin ustedes!
Enjoy Alvida, si pwede man bay na agay with Skilan. Epektibo kontra na agay, tiyang panacorazon hasta na bolsa. 950 lang ang SRP. Naproxen sodium is a generic name of Skilan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Unilab yan.
Goodbye to meet mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to meet mancha. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng patibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Walang masama sa paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Ang importante, you know your limits. Panglibangan lamang ang paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Hindi ito dapat nakaka-stress, nakakaubos ng pera, o nakaka-apekto ng pamilya. Bingo Plus. Tamang laro, tamang panalo. Gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Responsible gaming at pagcor.ph.
Bingo Plus! Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo! Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Araw-araw, MX3 para extraordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
I am Venus Raw, a beauty queen, youth advocate, and a servant of God. Sa MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3. Tatak RMN. Maskin donde hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.